My name is Tina Austin. My major is liberal arts with a specialization in sociology, and I'll be graduating on May 22nd. I'll be attending Stockton University in the fall with a major in sociology and a minor in disability studies. I would say all the faculty members and advisors have been really helpful for me since I have a learning disability, so they've been really accommodating with that disability. In the beginning, it was rough because I'd never been an officer of any position, so this was a new experience for me to learn from. I would say I like helping people, and people has been my forte since I was younger, so I was like, let me continue to have passion and help students pick out the classes and also focus on their mental health as well. I would say more of if someone comes to me saying they're struggling with something, I'm their point person. If they need a vent, talk to me. If they're struggling, I'm there to listen, not judge them for what they're dealing with.